Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to learn and understand Khana language, Ogoni Khana language. I'm going to teach you the simplest way to calculate x, in Ogoni language. This is the first time someone is calculating x in Ogoni language. So if this is our first time, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. Let's go to the board. So here, let's go. You have zinson, which is 1x. We have bason, which is 2x. We have bason, which is 3x. We have niason, which is 4x. We have son, which is 5x. We have in son, which is 6x. Here we have reba son, which is 7x. Here we have ere ta son, which is 8x. Then here we have erenia son, which is 9x. Then here we have loop son, which is 10x. Here we have loop son, which is 11x. You can put this 2 here. 11x. Here you have loop son, which is 12x. Here you have lobleta son, which is 13x. And here we have loblenia son, which is 14x. Here you have loble son, which is 15x. So we are going to start at 15 today. So let me re-emphasize on this. This is how to calculate x in Khana language, Ogoni language, pure Khana. So one is zin, zinson. One times, one is zin. So zin, if zin is 1 times 1 will still give you 1. I don't know if you're getting this. 1 is zin. So 1 times 1 will still give you 1. So 2 is by. So 2 is 2, which is 2x. 3 is 3x. And 4, which is near. This is zin, by, pa, near. Near son means 4x. Then son means 5x. In son means 6x. And son means 7x. Son means 8x. son means 9x, and lob son is 10x. Lob lazy son is 11x, while lob leba son is 12x. Lob leta son is 13x, and lob linear son, which is 14, is 14x. Then lob oo, which is 15, is 15x. So this is the simplest way to calculate x, to calculate your figures in pure Ogoni Khana language. Thank you very much. If this is your first time on my channel, I would like you to please like, share, and subscribe. It is my own little way of contributing to promoting my culture, which is Ogoni language. It is also essential for you to know and understand your language, even if you are not from Ogoni. So if you are not from Ogoni watching this video, I would like you to drop in the comment section what is 15 in your own language, either Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Ikwere, and the rest. What is 15 in your own language, and what is 1 in your own language? Did you know? If you know, drop it in the comment section. My name is Peter Wenganali, your host today. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate the time you spend on my channel. Thank you very much.